Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Everyone knows that cleaning is a bit of a hassle, especially hoovering, but I often find that I end up leaving things for too long and then I have to do a massive hoover and it's a bit of a pain. So I want something that's small and portable that I can quickly use in my room just to do quick cleanups, and then maybe also use in my car as well. So I found this, it's an Anchor vacuum under their eufy brand. It's the HomeVac H11. So I thought we'll unbox it, check it out, see if it's worth it. One thing straight away, it does charge over micro USB, which is a bit annoying. It claims that that's convenient, but really it should be USB-C in 2021. But yeah, let's see. Let's get it open and have a look. So it claims it has a 5500 Pascal suction. I have no idea whether that's good or not, but we'll assume it is for now. So I got it on sale for $39.99, but it's usually $49.99. So yeah, maybe worth keeping an eye out for sales. So we've got a bit of documentation here. That's got your owner's manual, warranty information, that kind of stuff. We'll get rid of that for now. More documentation, don't need that. So here's the actual hoover. You can see that it's pretty small, so that's quite good. Let's take it out of the packaging. So you can see it's pretty small, which is nice. It's got a nice matte finish to it. And it feels pretty chunky as well, so it must have a decent sized battery in it. We'll put it to the side for now. See what else do we get. We get a micro USB cable for charging, and here we have some attachments. Okay, it's just one attachment. It's adjustable. Not sure why that's adjustable really. Oh, I guess okay, so you can do precise things. So you can do precise things like that, or if you want like a soft brush, there you go, you have it there. Okay, so you can take the lid off like that. I don't really know why it has that extra lid, but okay. I guess that's to keep dust out when you're not using it. So it looks like this is where all the dust filters into. It's not a massive tray, but then again, it's supposed to be for quick things. You can change the filters, I believe, as well. So yeah, you just twist it out like that. I don't know how much replacement filters are, but I'll have to check on that as well. I don't really know what the twisting does there. Actually, it doesn't seem to lock it in or anything. But yeah, what can you do? Let's move the box to the side. So let's see if it has any charge. Let's see if it has any charge already. So, okay, so it does. So you could probably hear that it is quite noisy, which is quite good. The suction feels pretty decent actually. I was surprised. It does actually. You can see it pulling my skin. So yeah, now we need to find something to actually test it with, I guess. Okay, so I've got some stuff to make a mess. Some fortune cookies. So there's some mess there. So I don't really know how clearly the crumbs are coming across on the camera. I'm hoping you can see that quite clearly. I'll turn the brightness up a bit. Yeah, here we go. Let's give it a go. Okay, that seemed to work pretty well. Got some rose petals here, but here we go. This is probably a better visual representation of what it can do. This is using it with the soft attachment on, just to make sure it doesn't scratch my desk mat. And let's give it a go. So, interestingly, it has worked reasonably well, but it seems to have got full up very quickly. So you can kind of see. So you can kind of see here, the capacity is very small, and it has got full. So I've taken off the attachment, see if that will fit anything more in. So that has done the trick. It's basically full now. There is still a bit hanging out. Okay, so yeah, so I've filled it up. I guess it's a little disappointing how quickly it fills up, but then that's to be expected for something as small as this. It's going to be for just quick cleans on your desk, that kind of stuff. Let's say you spilled some cereal, because I know that's one thing I'm doing a lot nowadays. Now that I'm working from home, I eat at my desk a lot, which is not something I was really doing before. Spilling crumbs and stuff on your desk, this is definitely handy for that. Let's see how easy it is to take apart. So this is now full. We'll take that off. I guess one of the things is the rose petals are quite big, so you wouldn't normally be vacuuming crumbs that are this size. So normally you'd probably be able to fit a lot more in here. But yeah, it's quite easy to take out and empty. So I'm just going to empty it now. So I'm going to take it outside now into the car and see how good it is as a car vacuum. Okay, so this is probably a pretty good test because you can see there's quite a bit of mess from various outings. So let's give it a go. Okay, so it's obviously run out of battery because I haven't charged it, but you can see so far it's done a pretty decent job. Not perfect, but pretty good for a car. I think it does most of the job. It gets the big crumbs. Maybe when it's more charged it'll do a bit of a better job. But yeah, let's head back inside. Okay, so we're back inside now. It seemed to work okay in the car. It wasn't as good as I'd have expected, but I do think partly it was because it hasn't been charged yet. So you did see it ran out of battery, so I'm wondering if the power's not as good when the battery's low. So that's something I'll look to do in my sort of longer term testing. But otherwise, I think it's pretty good for a quick clean up in between journeys, that kind of stuff, or just around your room. Like I said, for desk spills, that kind of stuff. Especially to just clean up a bit before I make videos, that kind of stuff. The attachments are handy. You can get into tight spaces with this one, and then also make sure that you're not damaging any surfaces with the soft brush. So it's good that that's included. Yeah, main con, I guess, I'd like it to have USB-C. This bit is a bit small, but yeah, overall not bad for 40 quid. I wouldn't expect wonders from it, but it's a decent product, and I'm fairly happy with the purchase so far. If you do have any more questions about it, let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. That would really help me out, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks, guys.